don't let just anyone see this video, Holy Spirit, but only the one that you have chosen to be here today. I heard the Holy Spirit say, just walk through the door. This is the moment you've been asking Him for. God says, I've opened it. It's here. You've been asking me for this moment. Now He's did it. It's time for you to walk through. Don't worry about having all the answers right now. What God is going to tell you next is literally going to be an answer to your prayers. Now, this prophetic word is a message literally from the heart of God to you. And this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to save this video that you can literally come back to it as a testimonial, because what God's going to share with you in this video is literally going to blow your mind. Now, if you love Jesus, then take a moment and share this good news with at least 3 people as your prophetic act of agreement. Now, this is what I see in the realm of the Spirit. I literally see a vision of Jesus meeting you on the fertile ground of your faith to honor you and your obedience in this season. And I'm here to prophesy. Go, do, step in. It's okay. We see in part, we prophesy in part. Just take the first step in faith and let God do the rest. The Spirit of God will meet you in the place of your obedience, and He will prosper you in this season. As you take that very first step through the door, the Holy Spirit will literally do the rest for you. Now, I see in a vision in the spiritual realm, and I see you standing in this door, like it's in a doorway, and I see you on one side, and I literally see Jesus on the other side. But the funny part of this is this: you're asking God for an open door, and I'm seeing Jesus on the other side saying like, hey, come. And then I see you like wanting to go, but then you're just like super hesitant. Listen. God is sending you this opportunity. You know it deep down in your heart. You know it deep down inside. I literally hear the Spirit of God saying this: don't worry about the unknown details. I have positioned your destiny helpers, and I have placed you in the right place. Just take the first step of faith, is what I hear God saying. God is trying to take you somewhere in this season. I see that this is an Isaiah 43:19 moment in your life. It's about to spring forth for you. Do you not perceive it? If not, that's why I'm here talking to you today. Don't miss your moment. Don't miss something that's very strategic for you in this season. This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you. The Holy Spirit is allowing me right now to literally feel what you're feeling in this moment. Because deep down inside, come on, Jesus, you're scared. I get it. The Holy Spirit can sympathize with you. But I literally hear the Holy Spirit saying, don't let other people's lack of faith cause you to not take this step right now. This is your moment to step. Don't sacrifice your destiny on the altars of other people's opinions. You got to know this. Some opportunities have an expiration date. And I sense in the Spirit right now that this moment is the very answer to your prayers. Don't you know God always has a plan? He already has all the details in order. He's already gone ahead of you and made a way, and favor will find you when you arrive in your location. Now, faith is. I prophesy this over your life. Take the very first step in faith now. Put your eyes on things above. Tell Jesus yes. Say yes to Jesus and walk through the door. I see in the realm of the Spirit, this is a very important moment because something destiny related is about to happen for you. And I prophesy it's going to change your life and change your level. God is bringing you an upgrade. And you're being asked right now to stop hesitating. And I want you to remember this. I love you.